Hello everyone, today is my birthday. After the party, I'm going to unbox my gifts. This gift is my mother and father, and this gift is my best friend Harna. Now I will unbox this green gift. There is no label on this gift, but let us see what's inside. And this too. No label on this, but no. This gift is about the solar system. Something about solar system.
Okay. You know solar system what is there? Okay, don't open.
It is painting of planets.
Okay.
I don't know from whom it is. This, I also don't know who gave this to me.
Yeah.
It's a watch, I think so. I don't know what it is. It's like this. I can't find it. Now I am opening this. Still not open. It is gift for every occasion. I don't know which. It is your watch. I don't know.
Show it properly.
Watch.
What this one? Wait, don't fight. This is?
Happy birthday cup.
Wow. ఓకే అక్కది ఓపెన్ చేస్తుంది ఇవి సారి నాన్న
It's a pouch. I don't know where to open it. These comes.
నో స్లోలీ
Here is the pouch. It's very stylish. And here I have. We should open this like this. Then there is the apartment. Then open this.
లౌడ్లీ
And there is one here. And one here. And there is also here of one.
ఓకే
It's very good.
నెక్స్ట్ దిస్ హ్యాండ్ బ్యాగ్
This handbag.
ఓకే నెక్స్ట్
These are the t-shirts. I opened the watch. This is the watch.
ఓకే
One more t-shirt.
ఓకే ఫినిష్
Yes. Please subscribe, share, and like. Bye bye. See you next video. Thank you.